Borasco Grey Defender 110 hardtop commercial with literally delivery miles on. This is awesome because A, the way it looks, the 110 has extra space in the back and it's got the all-important air suspension package, which is expensive, but it's a must-have. Now this car is a 2026 26 registration in that colour called the Borasco Grey, which everyone seems to love. Lots of bespoke styling because the Defenders are a fantastic car, but if you can make it look like this, it just turns a lot more heads, and every time you look at it, you're going to go, you know what, I've got myself the best commercial vehicle money can buy you. You've got the quad pod lighting system at the top. Bonnet venting have been replaced, the side venting. The 26 model year comes with new headlights. This then has the squared LED daytime running lights and the canards on the corner just there. You've then got the new grille, some badging, 360 camera system, front rear parking sensors, the grooved extended arch kit. What I do like about this particular car is because it's Borasco Grey, everything that is black just seems to pop, including the contrasting black roof. But then you've got the 22-inch gloss black wheels, which is a fantastic design, looks really good. You've also got side steps, mud flaps, some protection glass, and as for the interior, because the car's a 26 model year, you've got that new big screen navigation. There's the air suspension button. You've got adaptive cruise control, full digital dashboard, wireless charging pad, 2 keys and twin cup holders. The car also comes with full leather interior, all the adjustments including lumbar support, fully fitted mats, huge door bins just there, and because it's a commercial, you have the lockable space in the back. With the bulkhead, you've then got the LED lights in there, the coat hangers, all this lifts up and you can store items in there, which is also lockable. When you get to the back of the car, that styling continues with the top spoiler, the hardback spare wheel cover just there, and the 2026 26 model year rear lighting system, which is slightly different, followed by black badging. In the boot, this is the load area. Because the car has air suspension, there's a button just here where you can press, and that will lower the back end or raise it, depending on how much you want to put in. You've got bag holders here, more cubbyhole space underneath, but that load area is awesome. You still got the quarter windows in there, so that lets in lots of light. The car has the remainder of its manufacturer's warranty up until 2029. So again, full peace of mind. The car is literally brand new in every single way. So if you're thinking of a commercial vehicle for your business and you think, I want one that looks good, looks a little bit different, still has a 3-litre diesel engine because this is a D250S, it ticks every single box. Now when you're sat in the car as a driver, the first thing you do when you start the engine is you hear how nice and quiet that engine is. You've then got, like I said, the lane assist. You've got Bluetooth, stereo controls. There's the 360 camera system in high definition with the parking sensors. You've also got heated seats, different driving modes, lots of cubbyhole area around the car. This is beautiful. Going live now. If you like what you see, give me a call, drop me a text or a WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.